Good morning. They placed Madre Cacao needs, oh, Roger. The perimeter. What, Aya? Where you going? Oh. Madre Cacao. So might as well bring down the soil na lang, Roger, no? To make the road. Okay, they placed Madre Cacao here. See? On the perimeter. Bugoy kayo ito sa ka-foreigner, ya? Ha? Bugoy. Okay, Madre. Ako sugal tayo. Abi na ako unsa to ya. Oo, dito sa baka. Madre Cacao around, Roger. Yeah. Okay.
What's Madre Cacao?
That one. That's Madre Cacao. So it will grow there. To prevent the erosion, Aya. Then we'll just bring this down na lang, Roger, no? Bring this down. This is the road, man, right? Yeah.
Down. What will you bring down?
This oil. There. So it's easy to go up na the car later on.
Make it into a road.
And then the brown one there, those are grass, vetiver grass. It will kamang ba to prevent erosion. This is Madre Cacao, yeah. Kana.
Branch still grow na, no?
Oh, it clean na, oh, yeah. Then they planted ano naman there around. Who root you the paprika of Tita Nidsi there, oh? It was full of paprika because of the typhoon.